Hi, I'm Keli Carr, mom, mortgage advisor, and lifelong cheerleader for financial confidence. I've sat at kitchen tables with first-time homebuyers, celebrated keys-in-hand closings, and walked with families through tough seasons. Building wealth through homeownership matters to me because it's not just about a house. It's about roots, stability, and options for your future kids and grandkids. But here's the challenge we're facing right now. The path to homeownership has gotten noisy. Social media, headlines, rates, it's a lot. And financial literacy hasn't kept pace with the decisions people are being asked to make. The good news, you're already in the right place. YouTube has become a classroom for homebuyers. 2/3 of buyers use it to learn the process. The next generation are turning to social media and AI tools like ChatGPT to figure things out. Roughly 40% of Gen Z buyers do their home buying research on social media, and 43% are using AI tools. That tells me people want trustworthy guidance in plain English right where they already are. This series is my answer to that need. We'll slow things down, translate jargon, and walk through practical steps that you can actually use. From credit and budgeting to down payments, offers, pre-approvals, and closing day. No scare tactics, no shame, just calm, clear teaching and smart checklists that you can use to build confidence. If you're wondering where to even start here. Take the FirstHome IQ quiz. It'll show you exactly where you are on your path and what your next best step is, whether that's building credit, setting up an emergency fund, or exploring down payment help. Links are below. And I want to say a heartfelt thank you to the team at FirstHome IQ, a not-for-profit redefining what financial education looks like. They don't just teach homeownership, they invest back into communities, funding local workshops, partnering with schools, and equipping everyday people with the knowledge to build wealth where they live. Their mission is simple: make financial literacy and homeownership education available to anyone, and I'm honored to be a part of that movement. If you're ready for more, let's connect. Comment your questions, message me on socials, or hop on my calendar. I'm here to help you feel educated, confident, and smarter about money. Whew. Okay, take a breath. You're not behind. You're just getting started, and I'm right here with you. Let's own your future one simple step at a time.